...2021 Supra GR, badass bitch. Got the white, the black trim on there. Slapped the Borla attack system on there with the Borla carbon fiber tips. Looks sweet. Borla makes a system, the best system on the market. You know, Jay's got it on his Supra. Now we got this customer with his Supra and his Borla attack. We also slapped something really cool up top in the engine bay. It's called air intakes, all right? And it's basically built for performance and racing. So we got the HKS carbon fiber air intake on there with the foam filter. That thing's making about 20 horsepower. Pretty sick, pretty sick. And intake and exhaust, probably the best upgrade for your BMW, your Supra, your, you know, all the other cars we worked on, Dodge Chargers, Infinities, you name it. So if you're looking for a kit, Borla is definitely where it's at. And if you're looking for an air intake, HKS makes a bunch of different options available at our website, Gexhaust.com, and Gexhaust Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park. So shout out to Gexhaust, you know what I'm saying? So if you're looking for a system like that, let us know how you think it sounds and DM us. Reach out, like, comment, subscribe. Gexhaust out.